Hello students, in this video we are going to study about the salts. Salts are the ionic compounds formed by the neutralization reaction between an acid and a base. We have learnt in our previous videos about the neutralization reaction. When acids and bases react with each other, they form salt and water. The type of salt formed depends on the type of acid and base involved in the neutralization reaction. There are different types of salts like sodium chloride, sodium sulfate, sodium phosphate, potassium chloride, potassium nitrate, etc. See here, you can see the example about the formation of salt. When hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide, we get sodium chloride. The sodium cation is coming from base and chloride anion is coming from acid. So during salt formation, positive ion is coming from base and negative ion is coming from acid. In the same way, during the formation of sodium sulfate, sulfuric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide to form sodium sulfate and water. Now let us move towards the classification of salts. Firstly, normal salts. The salts which are formed by the complete neutralization of acid and base, then we get normal salts. These types of salts are produced by the replacement of all replaceable hydrogens present in the molecule of an acid by metal or ammonium group. So, such salts contain neither replaceable hydrogen nor hydroxyl group in the formula. See the example here. When 1 mole of carbonic acid reacts with 2 moles of sodium hydroxide, then there is a formation of sodium carbonate, which does not consist of any replaceable hydrogen or hydroxyl group in the formula. So it will not further react with any acid or base. In this way, complete neutralization of acid and base results in the formation of normal salts. The next type of salt is acidic salt. When a polybasic acid is not completely neutralized by a base, then the salt formed will contain replaceable hydrogen atoms. Then such type of salts are called as acidic salts. In other words, acidic salts are produced by the replacement of only a part of acidic hydrogen of the polybasic acids by a metal. Sodium bicarbonate, sodium bisulfate are examples of acidic salts as they contain replaceable hydrogen atom. Sodium bicarbonate is formed when carbonic acid reacts with sodium hydroxide. Actually, there are 2 hydrogen atoms in one molecule of carbonic acid. When only one hydrogen atom is replaced by sodium cation, it will result in the formation of sodium hydrogen carbonate. So, as it contains replaceable hydrogen atom, this will behave as acid. As it contains replaceable hydrogen atom, it may further react with base to form normal salt. In the same way, sodium hydrogen sulfate or sodium bisulfate is formed by the reaction between sulfuric acid and sodium hydroxide. In this case also, sulfuric acid has 2 hydrogen atoms, but only one hydrogen cation is replaced by sodium cation to form sodium hydrogen sulfate, which has replaceable hydrogen atom. So, it behaves as acid, because of which we call this salt as acidic salt. Next, basic salts. Basic salts are formed by the incomplete neutralization of a base with an acid. Means there is only partial replacement of hydroxide anions of polyacidic base. So the resulting salt contains a metallic cation and hydroxy anion of a base and anion of an acid. See here, basic copper nitrate is a basic salt. It is formed when copper hydroxide reacts with nitric acid to form basic copper nitrate. There are 2 hydroxide anions in the copper hydroxide base, but here only one hydroxide anion is replaced by acid radical. So this results in the formation of basic copper nitrate, which has hydroxide anion in its formula. So this may further react with an acid to form normal salt. As it has the property of base, so we call it as basic salt. Next, double salts. Double salts are formed by mixing saturated solution of two simple salts followed by crystallization of the saturated solution. This type of salt is a mixture of two simple salts chemically combined together. But when they are dissolved in water, they lose their identity as they dissociate into constituent ions in aqueous solution. Examples of double salts are more salt. It is a mixture of ferrous sulfate and ammonium sulfate. And potash alum. It is a mixture of potassium sulfate and aluminium sulfate.